Well, while we gather with family and friends this holiday season, healthcare providers are reminding us to make sure we don't get them sick. Northern News Now's Madison Green spoke with several healthcare providers who share the best ways to spend holiday joy and to spread it without spreading holiday germs.
So in December, people start celebrating indoors, really kind of sharing that airspace. And then, with Thanksgiving at the end of November and a lot of holidays kind of starting mid-December.
Gathering with family and friends this time of the year spreads respiratory viruses like the flu, COVID-19, and RSV. The Minnesota Department of Health says vaccination rates are down statewide compared to last year.
We're still on the low end. We're only at about 25% coverage for influenza vaccine for the season, and only about 15% coverage overall in all age groups for COVID-19.
According to the MDH, this time last year, about 50% of Minnesotans received their flu vaccine. However, immunization specialist at Essentia Health, Erin Labette, says the Northland historically has higher immunization rates yearly. The key, she says, to continued health.
And so the vaccines change from year to year. Sometimes they're stagnant, but for the most part, especially with COVID right now, it's kind of changing year to year. And so it's important to come in because you're getting vaccinated from the most common strain that we're seeing.
Doctors' offices or hospitals aren't the only place you can get a vaccine. You can also get them at your local pharmacy.
Even if it doesn't prevent it completely, it makes the symptoms less severe, less pronounced.
Justin Brewster says even those at lower risk for the viruses should get vaccinated to prevent outbreak cases northern Minnesota is navigating.
One thing we've been seeing more of recently is pertussis, which is the bacterial infection that causes whooping cough. It's something that people are routinely immunized for. It's usually attached to your tetanus vaccine. Because people have gotten a little bit behind on immunizations, like through COVID and whatnot, there's a little bit lower immunity in the community for that.
He says getting those vaccines will also help those around you, a gift that keeps on giving. In Duluth, Madison Green, Northern News Now.
Madison, thank you. Besides getting vaccinated, the best methods of prevention for any respiratory virus are maintaining good hand hygiene, staying home and encouraging others to stay home or to wear a face mask if you feel sick, staying hydrated, and of course, getting a good amount of sleep.